Welcome to Build My Mini. In our busy lives, we often forget to treat ourselves to a moment of pure, uninterrupted peace. Today, we're building a celebration in a box. The Birthday Floral Shop Tunnel Book. This project isn't just about glue and paper. It's about creating a space where your mind can finally rest by transforming stress into something sweet. One tiny detail at a time. As you begin with the cobblestone base and the accordion hinges, focus on the rhythmic snap of the paper and the sensation of the cardstock. This is tactile grounding, a secret to shifting your brain from worry mode into maker mode. As you layer the vibrant sunflowers, lavender, and daisies into the frame, you enter a flow state where the microcontrol of this 112 crafting becomes incredibly therapeutic, releasing dopamine as you achieve tiny victories of perfect alignment. We use these bright pinks and light blue for color therapy, creating a safe space in your mind that acts as a visual window to your sanctuary. Once completed, your happy birthday tunnel shop is small to fit in your hand but big enough to hold all the bliss to yourself or your loved one. It remains a physical reminder that you have the power to take something flat and empty, turn into something vibrant and full of life, helping you slow down, play, and heal through the art of paper craft. I hope you like our Build My Mini paper craft projects. We usually update every week. Don't leave, the video is still continuing.